And what do they say of Robb Stark in the north?
They call him the Young Wolf. They say he rides into battle on the back of a giant dire wolf. They say he can't be killed.
Do you believe them?
I am hers, and she is mine, from this day until the end of my days.
No. Anyone can be killed.
Next time I see you, you'll be all in black.
It was always my colour.
Tell Lord Tywin, winter is coming for him.
Three victories don't make you a conqueror.
It's better than 3 defeats.
I've won every battle, but I'm losing this war.
We will all be together again soon, I promise. Always be a Stark in Winterfell.
Robb. He's just a boy.
Sits the only king I mean to bend my knee to. The King of the North!
Your father would be proud. Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Do you hear me? I love you.
The king in the north arises.
Not too fast.
Please!
Mother.
Here's to the young wolf!
Forever young.
Jon Snow avenged the Red Wedding. He is the White Wolf. The king in the north.
Farewell, Snow.
And you, Stark.
My name is Arya Stark. I want you to know that.
The Northerners will never forget.
The North remembers.
Boy or girl?
I promise.
How can a man be brave if he's afraid? That is the only time a man can be brave, he told me.